Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching my video daily. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel right over here. And because you guys, we are over 30,000 subscribers. Please continue to support my channel. That means the world to me. Okay, today we're gonna do another beauty box unboxing. This time, you saw the preview already. We're doing the Allure beauty box, the October beauty box. And let's open this baby up, see if this is worth the money. I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our Balm, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. So Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. It's about $23 a month, up to $140 value. And they usually comes with 6 items in there. 3 are full-size item, guarantee, and the other 4 or 3 could be a travel size or sample size. So that's the big difference between the box for Allure versus BoxyCharm. And let's open this up and see. I mean, I really got a mixed emotion for both company. I kind of love BoxyCharm, but I don't want to cancel Allure too. $23 a month, you know. The box always looks exactly the same. There's never get a big box or small size or whatever different size. So there's a lot of product information here. I honestly think that's a waste of money because nobody really read this anyway. So this kind of part we have. So there's a 6 items in here. So let's look at the booklet and I can tell you what they are, okay? Okay. Oh, I need my glasses. My goodness. Oh my god, I can see you now. Okay, the first product is by Roth. And this is the Retinol Repair Renew Waterless Advanced Treatment. 0.6% pore retinol. So let's see. Whoa, this is a full size too? $48. So this alone is way more than the box itself. And Roth is a big company. You can get it from Sephora and their website. So this is loaded with a retinol and vitamin C in there. So basically help to soften the surface of dead skin. Okay. One thing I want to tell you guys that anytime the company call out the number, say 0.6% or whatever percent, right? They have to do a test because I want to put percentage on my product too, and my R&D told me that, well, yeah, you can do that, but you have to pay for tests, and those money are so expensive. But one day when we get there, we can do. Oh, this feels really weird. It feels like a dry oil-ish, little bit waterless. Okay, you feel like a dry oil. Very bizarre feeling. A little bit goes. Look at this. It goes really a lot. Oh my god, I put too much now. So yeah, the texture is very unique. This is something I will use at nighttime, definitely not daytime. And perhaps, even though it has a retinol in there, yeah, it's a pretty oily. It stays on my skin too. But $48, wow, not bad at all. Okay. Next product by Wish. Oh, I totally need this. It's a lip balm. And this is $20. Full size. Okay. So what is this? Pink Champagne Lip Balm. You're getting the full size of this lip balm. Apply like a lip gloss. Give a soft sheen, but zero stickiness. Oh! It just squirt out so much so quickly. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, please. I don't feel sticky, but I feel very velvety. It has a very interesting taste. Yeah, but very oily though. And you guys got to be careful. It just squirt out so much so quickly. So, yeah, just got to be careful on this one. $20. Okay. I always need a good lip balm anyway, so that's good. The next product we have here, whoa, yay! It is by First Aid Beauty. It's a pure skin face cleanser. I love First Aid Beauty. Their product is really excellent, good budget friendly. And I don't believe this is the full size. because it will. So what happened? They will tell you on the booklet that what sizes you're getting, but the full size usually is $34 for 8 ounce. This is 2 ounce. So what is this? This is the kind of like a white clean cleanser. You see, this type of cleanser, it usually foams up a lot. One product I use the most is a cleanser. For some reason, I use cleanser so much. I mean, I took a shower twice a day, and I wash my face twice a day. Oh my god, this bullshot thing is still very shiny and oily. I don't know if I mean, I think for winter I will like it, but it is very oily though. So this one you gotta be careful. Interesting. Okay, the next one is no, this is the Victor and Roth, the Flower Balm Midnight. I remember Flower Balm when they first launched in the US. They will launch at Saks Fifth Avenue because I was working there, and they were like big deal. So this is Oriental Floral, fresh, very more earthy tone, more warm tone. This is nice. Obviously, this is not a full size. This is the baby size. 1.7 ounce is $115. Even with the glasses, I still can't see anything. This is like, who can read this? This is so tiny, but it's cute. It's a very cute bottle. See how small this is? It's like, oh, it smells wonderful though. Okay, there's one more product left. Where is it? Then where is this thing here? It's called Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Leave-In Hair Treatment. But I don't see this on the... Ah, right here, I see it. So this is the travel size. This particular leave-in hair treatment, it will straighten hair's keratin. Oh wait, do I? Hold on, let me just... So, oh, you actually squeeze... Oh, it's like a foam. It doesn't have a much smell, so I like that. Okay, and this is the travel size. So this product here is by Yibu Beauty. They're so cute, like 3 little stacked together. Let me remove the sticker. You know, I don't even wear makeup. I just think it's so cute like this. So the first one, see, they give you a mirror. Seriously, right? So that's the bronzy colors, and then this is the matte taupe colors. And the little one's a deeper color. So, you know, those 3 colors definitely work together. See that? It's a basic colors, and basically all skin tone, all eye color will work great on this. This is great. I believe this is a full size though. Because if this is a travel size, that's a very nice travel size. If this is a full size, it's $21. Yeah, so I think, you know, overall, I really like this box. Not all the time you get a really amazing product. I mean, beauty box is like a mystery box. You never know what you're gonna get, right? So your mentality should be like, I take a chance, it's for fun. You know, I will get at least one thing I like and get the value back, and that's what matters. I mean, you are not gonna love everything in all the beauty boxes you receive. That's impossible. Impossible. So I just want to share that with you. So let me know, what do you think about Allure Beauty Box? Do you like this box better or BoxyCharm better? It's really mixed emotions. Both brands carry some of a new item, and they also carry some new product too. So they are very similar. The biggest difference is BoxyCharm usually are all full size item, but Allure, they give you half. You know, half is a full, half is travel. But the full size value alone is more than the box, than what you pay. So I think it's not bad. I used to do Macy Beauty Box, but I canceled that baby. I think it was like $15 a month or something like that, but it's always this sample size. So I'm thinking, well, for $15 a month I can get full size, so I just canceled that. I did not like it. And I used to have different beauty box. I cancel all of them. I mean, I just don't want to get any more sample stuff. I want to get some full size item. So anyway, if you know any good beauty box I should try, let me know. I will try to get it too, okay? Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today. Guess what? I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!